Psychological tricks to make any woman like you. Stoicism. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychological tricks that seduction experts use to capture a woman's attention and affection. Studies show that understanding how to stimulate the most sensitive areas of her brain can significantly improve your chances of winning her over. Stick around as we uncover these sophisticated techniques designed to subtly influence her subconscious and make a lasting impact. Each trick is a powerful strategy backed by psychological insights that can make attracting any woman feel smoother and more natural. It's all about understanding the complexities of the mind and creating a connection that goes deeper than just surface-level attraction. Don't miss a single moment of this material. Each tip holds the key to mastering the art of seduction. And as a bonus, the final trick will give you a quick and easy way to unlock her mind, giving you an edge in building a genuine connection. So, let's get started. Hit play, take in the knowledge, and arm yourself with psychological tools that can level up your interactions. If you find these insights helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of seduction. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the Benjamin Franklin effect. This psychological trick can make attracting a woman a little easier. Named after the wise founding father, this effect suggests that we can increase our attractiveness to someone by simply asking them for a small favor. Here's the fascinating part. When someone does something for us, it causes them to start justifying their actions, often thinking, if I'm doing this favor, it must be because I find this person attractive. It's a subtle yet powerful way to shift their perspective. To put this into practice, start with small favors. Ask her to grab you a drink or a snack, or request something simple like a pen or a piece of paper. The goal is to create small shared moments that gradually build a positive connection. It's like planting the seeds of attraction by making her subconsciously associate being helpful with feeling drawn to you. Stay tuned for more tricks, and if you have any questions or need more details, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're enjoying these tips. Next, research on the impact of prolonged eye contact reveals a simple way to make your eyes seem irresistible. When you apply this technique to interactions with someone you're interested in, it can work wonders. The key is to maintain eye contact while you're talking. Here's how. Look into her eyes and hold the gaze for about 3.5 seconds. Then, smoothly shift your focus to another point, as if it's a completely natural transition. This creates the impression that you're looking deep into her essence and communicates a sense of uniqueness that encourages her to want more of those captivating glances. So next time you're having a conversation with someone special, try this method to add a lure to your eyes and create a deeper connection. It's a simple but effective way to make her feel seen and valued, leaving a lasting impression. The third trick is to repeat her name, an easy yet impactful gesture. Our name is one of the most important words in our lives, and by repeating a woman's name in conversation, her subconscious will start to see you as someone familiar and trustworthy. Not all men pay attention to this, but by doing so, you set yourself apart. This technique ties into Aristotle's ideas about persuasion, where effective communication builds trust and influence. Building rapport and trust by mentioning and remembering a woman's name is a simple yet powerful technique. Aristotle's concepts of ethos, logos, and pathos resonate in the art of seduction, where establishing trust is key. By using her name in conversation, you not only set yourself apart, but also spark her interest. A good way to do this is to ask her name and naturally incorporate it into your conversation. Ideally, use it about 3 times. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable insights. We've got a wealth of knowledge just waiting to be shared. Now let's talk about the fourth trick, Contagious positivity. One of the easiest and most effective tools in your arsenal is a genuine smile. Why? Because a smile has the power to work wonders when it comes to winning a woman's favor. The secret lies in the fascinating science of mirror neurons, which influence those around you. When you smile, these little brain cells create an emotional ripple, causing her to unconsciously mirror your positive energy. It's like spreading happiness. When she feels that boost of joy, she'll associate it with you, making you appear pleasant, positive, and attractive. So, next time you're chatting with someone special, let your smile do the talking. Not only will it brighten her day, but it'll also carve a positive impression of you in her mind. It's a simple move, but its impact can be powerful. The fifth trick is called the chameleon effect, a subtle yet effective way to build rapport without her even realizing it. In 1999, a study showed that people are naturally drawn to those who mimic their actions. So, if you want to be more likable, channel your inner chameleon. Pay attention to the person you're speaking with, especially their movements and gestures, and subtly mirror them during your conversation. While it may sound a bit strange, this trick can make her feel a deeper connection with you. She'll notice the small similarities in your behavior, even in the tiniest gestures, and it will help her feel more comfortable and at ease. So next time you're talking to someone interesting, try mimicking her actions and watch the connection grow. Now let's dive into the sixth move: subtle physical contact. Science supports this one, showing that physical touch plays a significant role in creating a deeper connection. The beauty of it is that it helps communicate emotions and fosters closeness. To increase attraction, focus on light touches to areas like the shoulders, forearms, lower back, and waist. It's a silent but powerful language that expresses your feelings. Incorporate this into your interactions by taking advantage of both planned and spontaneous opportunities. For example, when the music starts playing, invite her to dance, a perfect opportunity for physical contact. Or, during more casual moments, like helping her cross the street, establish a gentle touch. This thoughtful strategy is usually well received and can help deepen the connection. Don't hesitate to use this simple yet effective move to create a more intimate bond. Next, let's explore the seventh trick: making her laugh. We all know that a good sense of humor is one of the most powerful tools for connecting with others, and science backs this up. Laughter triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones associated with pleasure. When you make her laugh, you're not just boosting your attraction, you're also linking your presence to positive feelings. This creates a pleasurable association with you in her mind. If you're curious about how to master the art of making a woman laugh, stay tuned and feel free to drop a comment below. Your humor could be the key to unlocking deeper connections. Drop a comment if you're craving more tips, and we'll be sure to share some humor-inspiring insights with you. Laughter is a universal language that can break down walls and create meaningful connections. So why not sprinkle a little joy into your interactions? Now, let's jump into the eighth trick: exuding confidence. Confidence is like a magnetic force in the world of attraction. It's captivating and powerful. Women are naturally drawn to men who carry themselves with self-assurance, who don't constantly seek approval from others. Imagine a man who knows his worth, who isn't begging for affection. If he's interested in a woman, he doesn't go out of his way to win her approval. He simply stays true to himself. This mindset of not relying on external validation amplifies your allure and makes you seem more desirable. It's not about putting in excessive effort. It's about embracing the rule of minimum effort. This concept is all about being authentically confident without overthinking or trying too hard. Want to know more about the rule of minimum effort? Drop a comment, and I'll gladly dive deeper. Remember, Confidence isn't about arrogance. It's that quiet, unwavering self-assurance that speaks volumes. The ninth trick is the Lisberg tip effect, a fascinating psychological principle that highlights the power of the first impression. This effect shows how your initial encounter can influence how someone perceives your entire life, for better or worse. Think about a comedian. When you first meet them, you might assume their life is all about telling jokes, even though that's only part of the picture. The way you present yourself in the first few moments sets the tone, so make that first impression count. For a woman to see you as someone she wants, pay attention to how you present yourself, your appearance, your speech, and your mannerisms. And of course, don't forget the other tips we've discussed in this video, including the Stoic Diary. Most importantly, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. And now, for the 10th tip, the power of posture. Research shows that your body language reveals so much about your emotions, self-esteem, and expectations. Let's focus on how you can present yourself as a confident, powerful man. Strong posture includes keeping your arms and legs open, standing tall with straight shoulders, slightly raising your head as if you're gazing toward the horizon, and sitting up straight wherever you are. When a woman notices you maintaining good posture, it increases her admiration for you. Unfortunately, many men overlook the importance of posture, and slouching or poor body language can make them appear less confident. Women are naturally drawn to men who take care of their posture, as it sends a message of security and confidence, qualities they want to feel connected to. I really appreciate you watching this video, and I hope these tips prove helpful. If you found value in this, share it with someone who might benefit and share your thoughts in the comment section. Knowledge grows when it's shared. Until next time.